हम बात करेंगे उस मोमेंट की जब आप फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी के इंटरव्यू रूम में एंटर करोगे और इंटरव्यूअर को अपने फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन से टोटली ब्लो अवे कर दोगे। टेंशन मत लो, मैं हूं ना। आई विल टेल यू कि इंग्लिश में अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे रॉक करना है फॉर एनी स्टडी अब्रॉड डेस्टिनेशन। हर नई जगह का एक रिचुअल जरूर होता है। टीचर विल आस्क यू टू स्टैंड एंड इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ। नाउ व्हाट? Heart racing, palms sweaty, mom spaghetti. Wait, that's Eminem. लेकिन seriously, introduction का moment सबके लिए nerve wracking होता है. But where there is a will, there is a way. You only need confidence like Shah Rukh Khan, style like Rajnikant और आवाज में depth like बच्चन साहब. Sounds impossible, लेकिन है नहीं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं आपकी अल्टीमेट सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन स्ट्रैटेजी, इंक्लूडिंग अ मैजिक फॉर्मूला जो आपको गारंटीड सिलेक्शन दिलाएगा। फर्स्टली, द फर्स्ट 30 मैजिक सेकंड्स। इंटरव्यूज में फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज एक्चुअली लाइक लव एट फर्स्ट साइट। यू नो योर ऑडियंस, यू शुड बी एबल टू बिल्ड एन इंस्टेंट कनेक्शन विद यू। योर इंट्रोडक्शन शुड बी शॉर्ट, एक्साइटिंग और इंटरव्यू पैनल को टोटली इंट्रिग करने वाला। एंटर बिल्कुल बॉलीवुड स्टाइल, कॉन्फिडेंट, चार्मिंग और थोड़ा सा कूल। बस you have cleared your first step, the most important, which is the first impression. Coming to my favorite magic formula. Yes, you know it. Confidence. You know your confidence is like your deodorant. The more, the better. अगर नहीं लगाया तो लोग दूर हो जाएंगे. Imagine yourself as the interviewer. Would you want to listen to a person who seems to be in self-doubt? No, right? Because आपको तो यही लगेगा कि इससे तो कुछ पूछने का मतलब है coming back to square one. And self introduction में सबसे important चीज है अपने आप में belief. इसलिए ही कहते हैं you are a rock star, treat yourself accordingly. Don't doubt yourself. Remember Rancho from Three Idiots? उसके confidence का राज था उसकी passion और authenticity. Same rule applies to the interviews. जब आप बोलोगे तो make sure you have a straight back, maintain healthy eye contact, clear pronunciations are a must and your beautiful natural smile. ये सब sounds technical, but actually ये natural confidence के small tricks हैं. The next step is adding emotions in your language. Robot नहीं बनना. You have to present yourself in a truer sense. You don't have to pay attention to the grammar rules there, because shifting your focus would cause chaos in your mind and ultimately in front of the panel. Just imagine कि आप एक स्टोरी बता रहे हो जिसमें हीरो भी आप ही हो और विलेन। For example, something like, Good morning or afternoon, my name is Priya and I am delighted to be here today. I am from Delhi, India, currently pursuing marketing at IB University. Then, turn towards your academic journey. Like my academic journey has been driven by a genuine passion for your field of interest. What fascinates me most about the specific discipline is unique perspective or motivation. For instance, share a brief personal anecdote that demonstrates your interest. That's how you should share more in less words. Since you are there to snatch the admission, tell them about your academic performance and achievements. And not in a Gian way too arrogant, but in a slightly humble way. Like, throughout my academic career, I have maintained a consistent academic performance reflected in. Now, you have to mention your specific achievement, GPA, awards or projects. Beyond academics, I have been actively involved in this extracurricular activity or volunteer work, which has significantly contributed to my personal and professional growth. Next comes your goal. Like, my primary goal is pursuing this program at this university is to specify your professional objective. I am particularly impressed by this specific program, which aligns perfectly with my long-term aspirations of mention your future vision. And your ending remarks would be, I believe my combination of academic preparation, practical experience, and genuine passion makes me a strong candidate for this program. And that's how you introduce yourself within 2 to 3 minutes by speaking clearly, एक अच्छी रफ्तार with खूब सारा प्यार and simple सरल भाषा। ज्यादा टेक्निकल जार्गन में जाओगे तो वहीं फंस जाओगे। वही बोलो जिसके बारे में पूछे जाने पर बता सके। Now, some real life tips that actually work. Weave your personal story. अपनी लाइफ का एक इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर शेयर करो। A chapter that not only defines you but also aligns with your goals. Share your turning points, share your achievements and make yourself the hero. Build a cultural connect. Foreign university में diversity appreciate करते हैं, so you must be proud of your Indian roots and showcase them accordingly. I'm an Indian surrounded by multiple cultures at the same time, so I am familiar with the concept of inclusivity and love to engage with people from different backgrounds. ये लाइन इंटरव्यूअर को डेफिनेटली इम्प्रेस करेगा। फ्यूचर विजन दिखाओ। इंटरव्यूअर सुनना चाहते हैं कि आप सिर्फ डिग्री के लिए नहीं, एक्चुअल इम्पैक्ट बनाने के लिए आ रहे हो। सो से समथिंग लाइक एजुकेशन इज नॉट जस्ट मार्क्स एंड डिग्रीज फॉर मी। आई वांट टू यूज दिस पावर टू क्रिएट अ चेंज एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म द लाइव्स ऑफ दोज who are still deprived of this technology. I have seen firsthand how technology can change the outlook of a rural area, and I am willing to bring that change myself. All these might sound a bit complicated now, but it's actually pretty simple. Let's move on to the don't part of the do's and don'ts in an interview. Rote learn introduction. रटा हुआ intro नहीं देना है। Google से copy करके. You are smart and you just have to tell about yourself. Surely you can do that without copy pasting. Don't overdo about your personal life. They don't want to know about your pet's name. Boring corporate language. No, it should have your touch. Don't use words like EOD or more. Basically, avoid acronyms, short forms. That's a no-no zone. Stay human, stay student. Overthinking grammar. Again, don't focus on the perfect grammar. Focus on your perfect intro. Fake accent. Yes, do not go after the accent. You will end up like Rachel.
Hello, Ross. This is Dr. McNeely from the Fake Accent University.
Just be natural and use your original voice. Avoid fillers like or like. That's very unprofessional and not at all impressive. You have to show fluency without sounding like a robot. All these will be detected by the interviewer immediately. Authenticity is a must. So, avoid these things at all costs. Nobody likes an overconfident Urvashi Rautela.
Will also do say that she's the best promoter. Like after Shah Rukh Khan, Urvashi Rautela is the best promoter.
If you know, then you know. Always remember, practice makes a man perfect. जैसे रील बनाते टाइम मल्टीपल टेक्स लेना नहीं भूलते, बिल्कुल वैसे ही आपको भी अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी. Some of the ideas for that are talking to yourself in front of a mirror. You know, why upset the mirror? Friends के सामने रिहर्स करो. Because that's a non-judgment zone. So, you can freely do the mistakes and they will correct you without second-guessing yourself. Video record करके देखो and observe where you seem to be less confident or what are your strong parts. Get feedbacks from your mentors. They are your guiding light, don't forget. Also, keep timing your interviews to avoid exaggerations and take part in mock interviews as well. Just one last thing. For the language refinement part, watch international interview videos, listen to academic podcasts, practice with native English speakers using the multitude of apps available, use language learning apps, and you can also read academic journals in your field, and that's it. Now, it's time for the final touch. Remember, your interview is your performance. Totally and completely you. Nobody is responsible for what you say there. आप एक्टर हो और इंटरव्यूअर आपकी ऑडियंस. Tell them your story, your passions and be natural. And yes, थोड़ा ह्यूमर भी ऐड कर सकते हो, बट याद रहे प्रोफेशनल ह्यूमर, सलमान खान स्टाइल नहीं. Okay, repeat after me. Know your resume inside out. Research the university thoroughly. Prepare specific program-related questions. Practice your introduction multiple times. Be authentic and genuine. No fake accent, no burst of vocabulary. Chalo, that's it for today. I hope you will make good use of this video and shine in your desired university. If you liked our ideas, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to shoot the questions in the comments below and we will help you to the best of our expertise. Till then, goodbye and good luck. See you in the next video. Bye bye.